I'm making this video for the Hauppauge PVR 2. I usually don't make videos like this, but I ran into so many issues with this fucking thing. I thought I had to, man. There's people out there that make the videos and they post their solutions and whatnot to the problem, but it doesn't address the problem at all, and it doesn't show the problem really going away. But I'm gonna show you how I set mine up. I've been working on it for like 2 days. It was like the worst investment I think I've ever made. The thing is, it's such a piece of shit just to get working. Finally, once you get it working, I guess it's really not that bad. But this is the first error people are getting right here is the device is not available or being used by another application. Please close any applications that this device may be using or try again. I went out, I had the video working before, and then it gave me this, and I couldn't figure out why it was doing it. And the only thing that I changed was the USB ports. Couldn't figure out why Control Alt deleted. One guy posted a solution talking about uninstalling the drivers and reinstalling it. That didn't fucking work. He didn't know what the fuck he was talking about. But basically, what I did is I took, this is where the USB is hooked in at, on the back of the tower. And I just unplugged it. And threw it in over here. If I can get it in, there we go. Alright, so it's in the front now. And it was giving you those blinking lights. It'll go like, it'll be like turquoise, it'll go green for a second, then go back. It'll blink a lot. But, should fix it now. So I go up to the source again. And click on the video capture. Should come up here in a second. Boom, now I got video. And the second thing was no sound. You got the video working, you got all that worked out, but you get no sound. And so I tried to figure out why that was going on. And the HDMI cable is plugged in, and the HDMI should get sound, but it's not getting sound. So what you got to do is go buy a cable from Radio Shack. It's like an RCA cable, and transfer it. And I'll show you what that cable looked like, so you don't have to freaking go and Google it. And it's basically one of these right here. This is what one end looks like, and then the other end that it connects to, it's going to turn into a white and red. There's a male end right there. You're going to need, it's going to be a white and a red. It wasn't much. And finally the light changed. It wasn't giving me that crap anymore. So, and then just go up to audio output, and then hit line in RCA, and you'll be able to record. But that's it.